friends. In this tutorial, we will study about operators. Operators are of various types like arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators. Every operator have a special meaning. For example, arithmetic operators are mostly used for mathematical operation. For example, addition, subtraction, modulo, multiplication, and division. Let's see how operator works. We have written one program for doing various operation like multiplication and all other operation. We have used plus operator to concatenation string. Plus is an operator which is used to concatenate string with variable. When we want to display string as well as value of variable using right line method, plus operator is used. So plus operator is also called concatenation operator used to join C. Let's see output for this code. We can see division have only one output, but we have divided 3 by 2, so it should be 1.5, but it is not. So we have to explicit cast to float data type. So we have exact output now. Now let's see increment and decrement operator. Increment and decrement operator are used to increment the value by 1. These operators are part of assignment operators. There are two types of this type of operator, pre and post. Now let's see what is the effect of pre and post. Pre-increment operator is first increments the value and then assign values to the variable. Post increments is used to first assign value and then increment. We'll see more about this in future. Thank you.